Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to unblock your friend in Facebook. So go ahead and open up Facebook, make sure that you're logged in, and then go to the menu at the top right-hand side of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on that menu. That will bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can scroll down to where you see Settings and Privacy, second one up from the bottom. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then you're going to want to click on Settings. Here you're looking for the Privacy heading. Underneath Privacy, you're going to see a heading titled Blocking. Go ahead and click on Blocking. Here you can see all of the people that you have blocked on Facebook. When you block them, they can't see your posts, your timeline, they can't tag you, and many other things. To unblock a friend on Facebook, all you have to do is click on the Unblock section right next to the name of the person who is blocked. Would you like to unblock? Yes. Now we have successfully unblocked our friend in Facebook. You can go ahead and back out using the arrows and then return to the Home tab to go ahead and read your feed. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please annihilate that like button and have an awesome day wherever you are.